Hello there traders. For today's analysis I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar and we'll speak about the gold market today. I'll start with the Euro versus US dollar first. Basically, as I alerted you in my previous forecast, basically the Euro got a buying climax and had a buying climax in the background. And that happened like 2 days ago. As you see, we basically absorbed that buying climax even during the evening session yesterday. So when the price made rally, which is totally normal, you know, and when the price made rally, we got extreme reading, and we got a bear divergence on the, on the oscillators, stochastics, RSI, and we got a sell-off process, right there. There was a first indication that we can see more downside. One, we got an absorption of the buying climax in the background. Second, we got extreme reading into the climatic zone, and the result is basically this sell-off that is happening right now and basically today. So if you check the daily time frame, you can see basically that gold did a coiling process for a few days, and that right now we are taking the pin bar low. That's basically a very, very strong sign that we can see a further downside continuation. I definitely expect the euro to retest the level around 1.1735. And maybe even to go in the next period, short-term speaking, around 1.1665. So watch for selling opportunities on the rallies. I think that would be a preferable strategy. We're going to break out from the coil with absorption of the climax from yesterday and watching for some reaction on the upside, some kind of corrections on 1530 hourly, potentially for the new downside. If you don't have already bear position, then you will probably need to watch the rally and try to sell on the rally, since we are right now into the extreme. But definitely short-term speaking, I expect more downside on the euro. If we speak about the gold market, basically it's the same thing, right? We originally had a buying climax like 2 days ago. Buying climax with no follow through. You see basically that very wide spread of the bars on the breakout of some pivots. This is not a good sign, especially if there is no continuational process, right? And we didn't see that. We basically got attempt on the beginning of the US session yesterday, right there on this sub bar, but it was very we negated like pretty easy, right? And that actually confirmed that. Look at this. So we almost had a matching highs, but look at the oscillator, right? So that's definitely some form of the double top with a lower high, and we get a sell-off process. And now we just continue with that on that way. You're gonna go at one more like a bear flag, but also divergence right there. You see this swing high, and the new swing high didn't make any new high on the oscillator. So that was another great bearish opportunity early in the morning during the Tokyo session. Right now, we're having some consolidation. We have some we have some also divergences. So potentially, it's pretty normal to expect some kind of the pull rally and then eventually new wave down, right? So I will say watch for the rally, for the further selling, and the downside levels to watch, like objectives 1780. And if you watch the daily time frame, it seems like we're also breaking pivot levels, right? So 1780, and then after that, I guess 1773. We have got another bear cross, seems like, right there. So this was another bear cross, and it seems like we can just continue with this downside cycle. Of course, first we might have some rallies, and so if you watch for the selling opportunities, definitely watch on the rallies using the intraday frames. That will be all for today, and see you all tomorrow.